Hello viewers, welcome to this video. I am Dr. J.P. Das, Director of Moshami Hospital and Principal of National Institute of Medical Science. This video is dedicated to those persons or those families, those who have lost their members due to killer alcohol, and also dedicated to those my friends, those who are no more due to heavy drinking. In this video, we shall know how the alcohol kills you. Alcohol can kill you if you drink it in a toxic form, and it's important to understand that. What constitutes a toxic dose? Liver only has a limited capacity to metabolize alcohol. A single drink can cause significant damage if it contains more than 20 grams or about 2 shots of pure alcohol. That's why it's important to know how much pure alcohol is in your favorite drink. Distilled spirit like whiskey or vodka are typically 40% alcohol by volume. Beer ranges from 3 to 8%. ABV and wine is typically around 10% ABV, but do not forget that these percentages are influenced by many factors. The effect of alcohol can be felt in variety of ways. Most common we experience alcohol is through social drinking, and it affects our bodies. These are usually mild, but they are still important to understand. Alcohol also has more severe effects on the body, which can lead to death in left untreated. It can cause liver failure, respiratory failure, heart failure, and brain damage. We can learn more about the different ways alcohol can be lethal in the following instruction as illustrated. Alcohol poisoning happens due to excessive alcohol consumption. When someone drinks too much of alcohol, they are at risk of alcohol poisoning. Alcohol poisoning occurs when as little as 4 drinks for an woman and 5 drinks for a man when they drinks within 2 hours. When a person consumes too much alcohol, it can cause their blood alcohol concentration level to rise above 0.08%, which is lethal limit of driving in all stages. As people drink more and more alcohol, their BAC levels continue to rise. The body metabolizes about 1 drink per hour on average. However, people can be affected differently depending on factors such as gender, weight, age, and the commodities like diabetes and heart disease. CDC has mentioned that there are at least 6 daily recorded alcohol poisoning deaths between 2010 to 2012. Drunk driving is a serious issue. In United States, alone over 10,000 people are killed every year because of drunk driving. That's 1 person every 2 hours. The problem is that alcoholic beverages and excessive drinking affects your central nervous system, thereby altering your ability to make good decisions. And it's easy to think you can drive when you are drunk, when it really you are putting yourself and others at risk. Because alcohol affects your judgment, it is better to avoid drinking at all while under the influence. If you do have to drive, make sure to use public transportation or find a designated driver if possible to avoid car accident. Liver disease is a common result of prolonged alcohol abuse. It can be caused by several factors, including heavy drinking, malnutrition, and obesity due to harmful fats staying present at you regularly drinking alcohol, and medication that are taken with alcohol. Heavy drinkers are at risk for developing alcoholic liver disease because they consume more alcohol in a shorter period. This increases the number of toxins in their bodies and the chances they will develop liver damage. When it happens regular drinking, they may impact their normal liver tissue negatively, leading to fatty liver disease and liver inflammation. Apart from liver, constant alcohol use or binge drinking also causes extensive damage to multiple organ systems, including kidneys, pancreas, heart, and nervous system. While heavy drinking can cause death from acute toxicity or withdrawal symptoms, chronic consumption can lead to permanent organ damage due to cellular changes over time. For people who are undergoing alcohol detox or addiction treatment, alcohol withdrawal is often one of the problems faced. However, this may be remedied with constant support and guidance from a recovery assistant expert. One of the most severe conditions you can derive from the end-stage alcoholism is perhaps cancer. Alcohol is carcinogenic, which means it causes cancer by interacting with the DNA, causing mutation that leads to cell growth. The effect of alcohol on DNA depends on how much you drink and the type of alcohol you consume. Alcoholic beverages are broken down into acetaldehyde, which is toxic to cells and can cause cancer. Acetaldehyde is also produced when our bodies digest their foods that contains protein. Cancer can manifest in different ways, such as breast cancer, chronic disease of liver, eventually leading to liver cancer. To avoid this from further worsening, alcohol recovery is one way to stop drinking, avoid premature death. Alcoholism is a common cause of heart disease. When you drink alcohol, it causes your blood vessels to narrow, which can raise your blood pressure and lead to heart disease. Alcoholics are more likely to have a high blood pressure than people who do not drink. Drinking is also increases the amount of cholesterol in your blood, which makes it more likely that you develop a fatty buildup in your arteries. People can lessen their chances of succumbing to sudden cardiac death or heart failure by drinking responsibly and lessening their excessive drinking by undergoing rehabilitation or changing their lifestyle. Alcoholism is a disease that can lead to premature death. Deaths related to alcohol consumption is more than all other drugs combined, according to the National Institute of Health. Excessive drinking can also lead to the damage of pancreas, which can lead to diabetes, brain damage from lack of oxygen and depression, and many other conditions by putting yourself at an increased risk of developing end-stage alcoholism due a person's health may deteriorate, also affecting their mental health and other around them. Luckily, there are many ways you can counter alcohol addiction through alcohol rehab and help of recovery homes. Women sober living for one can provide a safe space for women who wish to get better from substance abuse and chronic alcohol use. Transact Recovery specialized in recovery assistance for those people who abuse alcohol or drugs wish to lead a life soberly and independence. We work closely with medical professionals, ensuring that we can provide the best support. There is helping people in dealing with drugs or alcohol withdrawal. We offer traditional and luxury sober living arrangement to help people cope better in this difficult stage of recovery. Find out more about how we can help you and lead a sober life today. Contact us and get in touch with the recovery specialist. Friends, we have come at the end of this video. I hope you have liked the video and you can save yourself from alcohol poisoning and other diseases caused by the alcohol. And if you have liked the video, please give a like. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel such that such informative video information you get very fast. See you again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.